the Delkevic exhaust system. I bought this on eBay. It's from America. It's manufactured there and they ship around the world to wherever you like. It is a short, it's a shorty style exhaust, I guess you call it. They're also known as GT style or growler, and it's pretty much the loudest form of an exhaust that you can get for just a slip-on. So we just had to unbolt this in here, slip stock exhaust off, and just put it back on and bolt, and that's it. Little bit of sealant, which you can see here. But that's what we had to do. So I'll start it up so you can just hear what it sounds like on startup. I highly recommend this system. So if you have any questions about it, and you want a link to where you can buy it, the CB400, just send me a YouTube message or an email, which you'll find the details in the description of the video.